If you are someone who loves your onions, let me show you a Turkish onion salad recipe that we always do at home. Shoo, fellas, today we have some brown onions. We are going to make a Turkish salad, which involves a lot of sumac from the sumac. Basically, this salad is 3 ingredients. It is sumac, brown onions sliced, and parsley. That's all you add to it. There's no salt. Typically when we make it, we don't make it with salt because when it sits around, it does wilt down. So we just have it fresh as it is. We're going to be peeling these onions and slicing them. We got 2.5 onions here with me today. We're gonna cut them semi-thin, like so. Want to have some crunch in there, so roughly about thin slices like that. We got our onions sliced up, and just gonna spread them out, get ready to fry, and then add them to a bowl. This salad actually comes in clutch with any barbecued meat. We always do it over Turkish barbecue. We add some salad, some baba ganoush to our bread, and then our minced Adana. That video is going to be coming up, so be on the lookout for that. Lovely scraper, add it to our bowl. Got our bowl of onions all chopped up. I'm gonna put that to the side and get some parsley. Got our parsley ready. I'm gonna chop it in half. We're using stems and all. Just gonna bunch it up. Wow, this really grips onto this chopping board, eh? Got our minced parsley ready. And transfer over that to our onion bowl. Smack some sumac. We got our salad ready. Let's throw some, literally, not even gonna measure it, 2 tablespoons of sumac. It's a very sumac heavy salad. Break up that clump of sumac. You can also add some olive oil to this, which I should do actually. Some olive oil does really brighten it up. But you don't have to. This goes exactly like that. I might even add a bit more sumac to it. What's that? 3 to 4 tablespoons of sumac. Why not? This salad should look really peppered with sumac. Give it a taste. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. Yeah. You do need a lot of sumac with this. It gives it that nice, zesty bit of flavour.